I'm in a part of Rome that is mainly high-end shopping areas. A lot of the high-end Italian brands are located within this district, but that's not why I came here. I actually came here to find the Spanish Steps, but I don't think this is exactly the right area, but it looks really interesting. Let's see what we could find here. Looks like there's some artists at the corner. Oh, I think this is the Spanish Steps. A little different from the pictures that I've seen before, but it's dark out. Oh, we got some roasted nuts and yeah, see those roasted nuts? Those are roasted nuts. Some monument in the distance there. So this isn't actually all that far from where I'm staying.
Nice meeting you. How far is your hotel from here? How long does it take on your end? Shall we go for the metro? Oh, you have to go to the metro. Okay. Okay, have a good time. Thank you.
Cool little place. Let's go check out these steps. I'll definitely be coming back here tomorrow morning or something. I'll wake up early again and try to avoid the crowds. It's not actually too crowded right now. Obviously a lot of people, but nothing like some of the places I've been through before. Yeah, I'm definitely coming back with my GoPro on my chest mount to see other cool places. I think that couple that walked right by me were from Germany. I should have greeted them and asked them why they're not back in Berlin paying taxes. So I came from this street right here where I just had dinner. Quite a pretty place here. Kind of makes me wonder what it would be like to live in a place like Rome that has so many tourists. But I suppose the same could be said about Prague, Vienna, other places I've been to like Amsterdam. But this is definitely crowded with tourists. Imagine what Paris must be like. Let's go up these steps here. Such a distinct difference between Italy and Germany, where Italians are so proud of themselves, and Germany, naturally for their actions in the past, are not. Wow. The temperature is a lot cooler now, so it's actually perfect to explore. This day has been rather warm. Well, I'm going to head down this way, which I believe is south, and I'll see what's happening here.